Miyamgi mihut oiriba sing Sathiba criminal charge ta thangna na numit kuntrani arrest na tragana detain tawduna custody da leirabadi makhoina pairiba Phamdagi Louthoknaba bill sing ngasi Union Home Minister Amit Shah na Lok Sabha da Puthokhre House da Puthokiba bill adudi Constitution 130th Amendment Bill English singani kunmangani masiga loinana UT amadi Jammu amasung Kashmir da su na hananaba Home Minister na mari leinaba bill sing the Government of Union Territories Amendment Bill English singani kunmanga amasung the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill English singani kunmanga su House da Puthokhi Constitution 130th Amendment Bill English singani kunmanga sina Prime Minister Union Minister Singh Loinana State amasung UT Singh Chief Minister amadi Minister Singh Consili Bill asida chahi manga natraga masidagi henba faduk taba yaba criminal charge ta karigumba thangna na numit kuntrani arrest na tragana detain tawduna custody da leirabadi Prime Minister Union Minister Singh Loinana State amasung UT Singh Chief Minister amadi Minister Singh makoina pairiba Phamdagi Louthokani haina palle Lok Sabha da Union Home Minister Amit Shah na bill adu puthorakpada opposition gi maikai dagi akan mamong da yaning da phongdoktuna political misuse tawhallagani haina phongdokhi Opposition gi luchingba sing Asauddin Owaisi amasung Ministry wari nasu government na puthorakliba bill asigi mayok ta leiraduna leibag asigi federal structure bu thugaiduna opposition party na lengakpa state singda atamna na akaiba pina na puthorakpani haina maral sikhe Karigumba bill asina ek olaklabadi unelected agency singda sakti hena pisenduna democracy bu mingchad thihan gani loinana Achan Birai Naibagi Investigative Agency Singna Amadi Maram Chadana Paba Punba Tauduna Miyamna Khanba Luchingba Singh Louthoknaba Hotnabani Hainasu Phongdokhe Opposition na yaning daba marakta bill adu Joint Parliamentary Committee JPC da refer tokhe JPC ge report mathangi Parliament session ge ahanba numita puthokani hairi
भारत के संविधान का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए। महोदय मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि जम्मू कश्मीर पुनर्गठन अधिनियम 2019 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए। संघ राज्य क्षेत्र शासन अधिनियम 1963 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की मंजूरी दी जाए।
Sir, this violates principle of separation of powers, due process, undermines the right of the people to elect a government. Then only you can leave the post and the membership, but here a mere accusation, allegation, the punishment of losing one ministerial post will follow. Sir, parliament democracy's chief ministers and ministers can only be removed through true means. First, executive prime minister can recommend their removal if the second council of ministers lose confidence of the legislature. Now this bill would empower the unelected executive and bureaucracy to play the role of the legislature. Sir, it undermines representative parliament democracy. This amendment would leave the minister and CM at the mercy of executive agencies. The severity of the amendment is not only in the fact that one loses their position if they are arrested, but even if they are detained. Detention and administrative action doesn't require offense to be made. Sir, the chief minister will not be able to accountable people. I want to know from the Honorable Home Minister, as he read Article 74(1), which says that the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister to aid and advise the President who shall, in exercise of his function, act in accordance with such advice. Now, this bill clearly violates 74(1). That is why I oppose the introduction of all these three bills. This is nothing but creating a Gestapo to ensure that our democracy does not survive.
This bill is squarely destructive of the basic structure of the Constitution. There should be rule of law. और उस rule of law, कानून के राज की बुनियाद है कि आप बेगुनाह हैं जब तक आपका गुनाह साबित नहीं किया जाता. This bill stands that fundamental maxim of jurisprudence on its head. It makes an investigating officer the boss of the Prime Minister of India. It violates Article 21, the due process clause. FIR, arrest, charge sheet and even framing of charge does not in any manner substantiate guilt. In fact, you plead not guilty only after charges are framed against you. This bill turns the fundamental jurisprudence of Article 21 on its head.